In this video, we're breaking down exactly what you should do when your paint or drywall crew accidentally damages your new hardwood floor, including how to handle repairs and who should foot the bill. Alright, so here's the deal. If your paint or drywall crew gouged your hardwood floor, you gotta be clear about getting them to cover the repair cost. You're not asking them to fix it themselves unless they specialize in hardwood floors, which is super rare. A gouge means there's missing wood material, so a simple colored wax stick might patch it up temporarily, but it's really just a band-aid. The best fix is having a pro hardwood floor team come in and do a proper repair or replacement of the damaged area. When you talk to the crews, keep it chill but firm. Explain the damage, show pictures if you can, and ask them to pay for the flooring specialist's work. You don't want to get stuck with repair costs that aren't yours, especially since this kind of damage usually falls on the contractors who caused it. Also, document everything. Get written estimates from the flooring people, and keep communication records with the paint and drywall teams. Being organized helps if things get tricky or if you need to escalate the issue. Lastly, if you're worried about contractors trying to lowball or avoid paying, sometimes getting an independent inspector or a third-party opinion can back up your case. One of the biggest mistakes is letting the crew fix the floor themselves without proper skills. They might make it worse or just slap on a patch that doesn't last. Another common issue is not documenting the damage right away, which makes it harder to prove who's responsible later on. Lastly, some homeowners don't ask for written agreements about repairs or payments up front, leaving everything too vague and complicated when it's time to settle up. The fix? Always get everything in writing before work starts or immediately after any damage pops up. Take clear photos or videos, and insist on professional repairs by qualified flooring experts. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff, saving you the hassle of endless searching. Plus, it helps contractors connect with folks needing their skills, making sure everyone finds the right match for home projects without the stress.